This Windermere Powerhouse Group property video is presented by Neil Rogers. This wonderfully located Nampa house needs someone to call it a home. Separate formal living room and family room. All the bedrooms are upstairs along with the laundry room. Master bedroom has its own bath with separate soaker tub and shower. Open kitchen area. Lots of storage and central vacuum system. Outdoor covered patio and fenced yard. There is a small storage shed as well. 3-car garage. This house is in a great subdivision close to schools, shopping, hospitals, parks and more. For more information, review the details below or contact Neil Rogers at 208-477-4500.